different videos of healthy, nutritious snacks that you can make for your kids over the summer. Today we're going to be looking at mixed berry ice popsicles. These are a fab alternative to ice lollies or ice creams during the summer. They're great and healthy, there's very few ingredients and super quick and easy to make. So we've got just a few bowls of mixed berries here. So we've got blueberries, raspberries, blackberries and strawberries. You can use just strawberries, you can use just raspberries, whichever you want to do. And then we've got a lime just to keep them fresh. So we're going to take our blender and we're going to just pop in the berries and the raspberries. Like so. We're going to squirt just a little bit of lime in there. And then we're going to pop on the lid of our blender and blitz it for about 10 seconds. So then we're going to take off, and as you can see we've got this fab bright wonderful colour from all of the mixed berries. So then we've got our popsicle holders here. These are fab. You can get them everywhere at the minute because of it being summer. So you can get them from Home Bargains, you can get them Poundland, B&M. They're really cheap. You can get them for under £1, if not just a little bit more. So you can just pour them in, but just to save the mess, we're gonna spoon in the mixture. There you go, we've done our one. You don't want to fill it all the way to the top, just because you've got to put your lid in and that will push things up a little bit. So we're just going to wipe around the edges here. And then you pop the top on, click it shut, and then you do that with all the rest, so fill them up. They do attach to one another, so you can put them in the fridge together. And then you're going to freeze them for about 12 hours, so they do take a little bit longer, so it's not just something you can do in one day. But we are now going to fast forward to 12 hours and show you exactly how ours turned out. Always remember that when you want to take them out of the holder after they're frozen, you want to pop them just under a little bit of warm water, not boiling, and there you go. Snacks that kids will love. Thanks for watching, guys. We hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to check out all the other summer snacks that we've been doing. We'll leave links to them below. If you do make any of the ones that we've done, be sure to let us know. I'll leave all of our social media handles below. And if you wanted an article or a written form of the snacks that we've done, I will tag our website below, so you can go and read them on there. Again, thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. Until next time, thanks again for watching.